Today we going kayaking over at Burke Lake. So we gotta load up the kayaks and be on our way. It's around noon, I guess, today, so it's kind of hot. It's 11:20 right now, and weather-wise, it's hot right now. It's like 80 degrees and sunny. So I'm gonna move these cars out of the garage so that we can load up the kayaks. Loading up the kayaks is a challenge. Gotta get them on the roof of that car, or that SUV. So I gotta move these vehicles out of the garage so I can get to these kayaks up here. This place is a mess. Everything just accumulates in this garage. I got these boxes that are supposed to be up there. I got salt that's going in the pond. It reduces bacteria and improves the healing process on the fish. So I picked that up yesterday along with the turtles and some fish food that I picked up. Picked up 4 buckets. These things not cheap because these fish eat a lot. So let's do this. Let's take down the kayaks and then we'll go from there. First I need to go in the house, get the car keys. So we'll need the Rover, the Porsche, and the Smosubi. All right, let's go. Cold start. Okay, we haven't started the Subaru in about 2 months, so I don't know how this is gonna go. The battery should still be good because battery's been disconnected. Let's see what we got. All right. Battery's dead. What do you know? Oh well. So we're gonna have to do this another way. Hi. Battery's dead. Yeah. Since that battery's dead, we're gonna go with the Porsche. Oh well. Gotta find a way to jump that. But right now, we're gonna move the Porsche. So we gotta lower this thing. But help? Yeah. Lowering. So. There we go.
There we go. Kayaks on the ground. This is why I don't just, throw on a kayak and go kayaking by myself in an afternoon. It's so involved.
It's a learned skill.
But it's involved. Sometimes I wonder if I could get one of the kayaks in the back, like if I just put the seats down.
You gotta measure because those kayaks are long.
I know.
Screen.
Front screen. The holders for our phones that we can put around our necks. Keep them dry. The water shoes for myself.
Okay. As you can see, it's done. So now all's left is throwing the kayak up there. I'm tempted to just go grab the kayak and throw it up, but I should wait for my wife to come out. This is the wilderness. And finally, we are off. After
Like a herd of turtles, one might say.
just loading that up tired me out, so by the time we get there, I'll be ready for a nap. Off like a herd of turtles.
That's us, turtles. We're headed to Burke Lake, which is one of our favorite places to kayak. It's beautiful, large lake, gorgeous scenery, lots of cranes and turtles, and so that'll be fun. And we love paddling, so it should be a very, very good time. And this handsome gentleman and I have not been kayaking together in quite some time. Usually it's the young one, Emerson, and I go. But so I'm excited about kayaking with my honey. So it'll be a good day, good afternoon. Nice afternoon for a Memorial Day weekend. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, and we're off.
bit of buzz. The kayaks are cutting through the wind, and we got that hum of the noise going on. Busy day today, Memorial Day weekend, so we got a lot of vehicles entering the park. The good thing is I don't see any kayaks on top of these vehicles, which means we should have access to the dock as soon as we get there. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. But you can see what I'm worried about, right?
Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. No need to mortgage. I'm sure we'll be fine. Oh, look at all the little people having their little picnics.
Yeah. People are picnicking. So here we have arrived in this fancy Burke Lake area where we're gonna drop our kayaks. Yeah. I'm just gonna back it up. Excuse me. Just parked the car. Now we're getting ready to go out on the water. There was a bird up in that tree there. I took a picture of it. I think it's an osprey. Looking at the footage on my camera, it's got a hooked nose. Oh, a hooked beak. So it's definitely a bird of prey. So out here, when you see those, it's usually you see bald eagles or osprey. So I'm assuming that's osprey. But we're gonna head back and head towards the other island and see what the other island is doing. Hopefully there's some more wildlife there to be filmed.
Full of protein bar. Time for a snack.
It's hot on the water. Been sweating.
In the sun, it's hot, yeah.
The sun is hot. I feel like I've been sweating so hard I'm being dehydrated. Alright guys, we are headed back to the car. I want to say thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little excursion that we had today. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. so that you may be notified every time we post a new video. And until next time, see you later.